I have this old jet ski and I've been meaning to work on it and fix it, but I don't know if you can see this, but a bunch of bees have taken hold. So we've got someone experienced with bees who's going to come and take a look and see if maybe we can start harvesting these bees, or keep them in a beehive and start making some honey from them. I'm getting the pine needles to smoke them out. And that's where the jet ski was originally, right there. And I moved it over there thinking maybe I could get rid of the bees, but I couldn't. So we had to get a professional. There's so many bees, otherwise I wouldn't have moved it. I thought there was just like a couple bees, because that's what I saw originally, was like a few bees.
Yeah, that's normal. It's okay.
Yeah, and it hurts more.
You think so?
I think so.
I don't know. I haven't been stung by a wasp in a long time.
They've congregated around like this drain opening for some reason. I'm really hoping not to get bit here. He's got a bunch of bees in his hand.
So you telling me you think they're in the front of the engine?
They are. I mean, I've seen them in there. I don't know, like, if they've made a hive in there or not.
I really doubt it. But I might be wrong. So I just lift this up?
Yeah, just lift it up and move it to the side.
Yeah, they're definitely coming in and out through there. There's so many little. There's probably so many ways they can get in here, but. Hey, they look good. The bees look good. Where I think that, they're probably in here.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. What is this?
This is just like a watertight compartment. They can't have gotten in there.
You don't think so?
No, it's
I see a bee in there.
Really?
Yep.
It's supposed to be watertight.
I see a bee just chilling in there.
All right. Oh yeah, I see the honey. Yeah. Nice.
That's really all they got though. They don't got much. They're new.
Yeah. Oh, they're going around my head now. So the bees started to swarm around my head, and he told me if they start swarming around my head, they're about to sting me. So I ran out of there, and I'm going back from a different way, and hopefully they don't remember me. I don't know. I don't know how this works. Maybe it's like pheromones or something.
Yeah, I might be able to find her. I'm pretty
Got the hive ready to transplant. He's rubber banding the beehive into the frame. Dang, look at this. That's huge. So you're gonna put that in the frames too?
Yeah, I'll put that in the frame. I'm just looking for the queen on here. Because anyway, she would probably be on here, so I'm just gonna take a good look.
Is there any more in there, or is that it?
Yeah, there's more.
Oh wow. And they did that in like 2 weeks.
I don't know, it looks like they've been here for longer, to be honest.
Okay, probably just didn't see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they've been hidden inside that compartment.
Yeah, exactly. And when they start off, they really start off small.
Okay.
But when they start growing fast.
Because I only started noticing them on the back. So they were probably full up in there.
And a big shout out to Brother Isa. He came and he helped out. It was very nice of him to come. He had to work so hard. I think he was back for 2 days pulling more and more beehive out of this thing. And this is where he found the queen and this queen excluder.
The bees have been swarming me, so I don't want to get too close. But so we put the beeswax and the hive basically into that box. So that box right there, it's got everything. And we put it on top of the jet ski, and we're gonna give the bees a day to establish that as their new home. Let the queen go up there, and once they're established, we're gonna put them in a safe spot. And hopefully the jet ski will be bee-free, and the bees will have a nice home to stay in and live in. Let me try my homemade honey. Slight taste of burnt pine needles with an aftertaste of gasoline. Delicious.
all jokes aside, the honey tasted really great, and this is what the honeycomb looked like when it came out. So you've got the honeycomb. There's not much, so I'm going to use a potato masher to try and crush it and strain it. This honey is tougher than it looks. Alright, so I'm going to pour this honey in here. It really isn't much. It's a very small amount. But we'll see how much we get at the end. Minus what I ate. So you can see that just dripping through. It looks delicious. It's working. We're getting some beautiful looking honey. They're going in and out. They're flying around everywhere.